na yung ating mga fried chicken!
Ito na po yung order nyo, madam. And
Hi guys! Hello! Welcome back to my channel. At ngayon, ang video natin is about the best fried chicken in Singapore. So magre-review tayo ngayon kung ano ang pinaka-crispy at pinaka-masarap na fried chicken dito sa Singapore. At ang mga sikat na fried chicken dito, una ay ang KFC, then ang Popeyes, Texas, at syempre pumasok na rin ang ating Jollibee dito na siya ngayong pinipilahan dito sa Singapore. Pero bago yan, may papakilala ko sa inyong guest ko. Isa siyang batang manok. Kaya ang pangalan niya is Chick Chick kasi dati siyang itlog tapos naging manok. Ladies and gentlemen, my guest, Chick Chick! Are you excited?
yeah!
You want to eat fried chicken? Huh? Oh, you introduce yourself. Why is your name Chick Chick? Dumudugo ilong ko. Nose bleeding. Why your name is Chick Chick? Are you chicken before?
I'm a chick!
You're a chick. And then di ka ma-chicken. So what's your name? Introduce to them.
My real name?
Yeah.
I'm Lyra.
Lyra. How old are you?
I'm 6.
Are you studying?
Yeah.
What grade?
What? I do 1.
Grade 1?
Grade 1.
Ayan, itong guest natin ngayon na magre-review para sa ating fried chicken. So ngayon, ilalabas na natin ang ating mga fried chicken!
Yay!
Fried
Ito
chicken!
na po yung order nyo, madam and sir.
Yeah, the Texas chicken.
Jollibee.
So unang meron tayo ditong Texas chicken. Yan, ang Texas chicken.
Jollibee chicken.
And syempre, the famous Jollibee, the home of Chicken Joy.
Yay!
Yan. At meron din tayong KFC.
Wait, you said 3.
Here's the KFC.
Wait,
Yeah.
you said 3, but there's 4.
Yeah, it's 4. I'm not the one who said 3. It's Tita Leklek.
Hi, extra lang.
And the last one is Popeyes. Alam ko meron ng Popeyes sa Pilipinas, sa BGC. So, let's try na natin ito. Paki-ings to te.
Let's take
So,
a look.
anong gusto mong unahin?
So, ano ako yan? Ano ako?
Anong unahin?
I'll choose.
What do you want to eat first? Ba, nabubulol. Nabubulol ako!
Ayusin mo. Many mo. Catch the tiger by the toe. If he growls, let him go. Many mo.
May ganun? So, you're going to eat the Popeyes first. O, let's try muna kung sinong pinaka-crispy. Who is the crispiest? O, you try the
Did you wash your hands
Popeyes.
na? Bye-bye.
No need. Here's the Popeyes. O, you try the Popeyes. Is it crispy? Yan, kamayin muna, te. Huwag ka na mag-inarte. Inarte ka pa.
So, you said Popeyes crunch.
Is it crunchy? Oh, you try.
I already eating one.
Ubusin mo to.
It's crunchy! Wow!
No. Yung ano, crunchy?
Crunchy.
You try this one.
And this is good.
Patirik ka pa ng mata. Ngayon try natin ang crunchy. So susunod natin ang KFC! KFC!
Nom, 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 nom.
May tunog, nom nom nom. Here's the KFC. Oh, you try this one. How is it? Parang mas malutong yung Popeye.
It's a little bit spicy for me.
Little bit spicy.
But crunchy.
Who's the crunchiest? Popeyes or KFC? Ano ba naman to? No? At itatry natin ang
You should tell her.
Hoy, wag ka umalis!
Where is my? It's spicy. It's spicy.
Lumayas yung guest ko. Maanghang daw. And here's the next one, the Texas chicken. Oh, come back here! Marami pa tayong ubusin. Oh, you try the Texas.
So out is out. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to.
Actually, yung Texas, hindi siya masyadong maluto.
To me,
Not crispy, right?
it's not crispy and it's so hard to stretch it out.
Ayan, nilabot ko yung Texas. Mahirap daw kainin. Ngayon, tatry na natin. Siyempre, huwag tayo magpakabayas.
Jollibee, the famous chicken dog.
Bias.
Bias, oh.
Bias agad eh.
We try Jollibee.
Yay!
Try natin Jollibee. Okay, ang Jollibee dito, hindi crunchy yung balat.
Yeah, but delicious.
Oh, see, but delicious!
Makabayad ka talaga. Go, go.
Ang base sa balat, ang pinaka-crunchy yung Popeyes. Pero kung sa lasa lang, okay, Jollibee, fine. Masarap talaga yung lasa ng balat ng Jollibee. Diba?
What can you say, Chick Chick? Which one is delicious among the four?
Which one is delicious? The skin.
Which one you like most, Claire?
Let's choose your mother.
Oh.
Many, muck. Catch the tiger by the duck. If he rounds, let him go.
Te, 5 minutes lang yun, no? Matatapos na. Second set na tayo.
Jollibee!
Jollibee! Kain na tayo, bilis.
Jollibee!
O, kainin mo natin Jollibee. Inuna mo talaga yung Jollibee. So, which one's delicious?
Jollibee!
Jollibee talaga.
Why Jollibee is delicious, Lyra? You should describe.
Yeah, why Jollibee?
Why?
Well, the first one is Jollibee is famous, right?
And then?
And they also made the delicious chickens ever.
Mmm.
What do you
Yummy.
like
You try KFC, you don't want. It's
about their
spicy.
chicken?
Who's the most juiciest? You mean... Ano daw juiciest? Tulungan nyo.
It's juice inside.
Yeah.
The yummiest.
It's not the yummiest,
The
not
yummiest,
dry,
which one?
you
Yeah,
know.
not dry.
Let's taste
Just
the
nice.
Let's taste the Jollibee.
You try this. Texas.
Di mainit. Nakatakat kasi. Napapawis.
Ayaw niya yung Texas. Hindi niya type. Oh, which one?
Sorry.
May lumilipad pa.
There's nothing in there.
Actually, pinaka-juiciest pa din ng Jollibee. Pag kinain mo talaga siya, medyo may sabaw-sabaw na lumalabas.
Wait.
Tapos pinaka-dry ang KFC.
Wait.
Saan ka pupunta? Kailangan ka. Yung Texas, ngayon ko lang na-realize nung kinain ko silang apat, walang lasa yung Texas. Pero pag kinakain mo siya mag-isa, masarap naman. Pero pag sinama mo na pala sa kanilang apat, walang lasa. So who do you like most? Who's the best fried chicken in Singapore? What's the best fried chicken? Jollibee, Popeyes, Texas, or KFC?
No, Lyra, you Which one?
You like
Which
them
one you
all,
like?
right?
Which one you like the most, Lyra?
I already told you Jollibee.
Yay! Jollibee is the winner! The best fried chicken in Singapore! Yay! Actually, ang reklamo ko lang sa Jollibee, paliit yung manok nila. Pinakamalaki pa rin ang manok ng KFC tsaka Texas. Pero pinakamasarap ang Jollibee! At dahil Jollibee nga ang nanalo sa ating best fried chicken in Singapore, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng nanonood sa videong ito. At pwede rin kayo mag-like and share and comment. At syempre, hit the notification bell on the side para updated kayo sa mga next video ko hanggang sa susunod na food vlog. Bye-bye!
Sorry, it's DJ.